Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Telegram limit exceeded, try again with later iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If you are seeing limit exceeded, try again on Telegram for iPhone, it usually means you have hit a limit set by Telegram to prevent spam or excessive actions. To do it, what you can do first is simply head over and open up your settings, then scroll down until you find the general option, and inside general, simply tap on iPhone Stories. Now once you're inside the iPhone Stories, what you need to do here is scroll all the way down until you find the Telegram Messenger app. Let me just assume this messenger is the Telegram Messenger app, and once you're inside, you'll be provided with two options, that is offload app and delete app. Simply tap on offload app, and what this does is it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app which might be causing the issues that you are facing. Now if that still doesn't work, then what you can do is just simply head over to your app store, then on the search bar type in Telegram, and now once you're inside here, what you need to do is check for an update of the app. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just updating it to the latest version will help you ease your problem. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.